Okay, so here's a question. Draw the domain of the integral of this and switch the order of integration. Okay. Now, actually, even if I didn't say draw the domain, in order to switch the order of integration to go from dy dx to dx dy, it's absolutely necessary that you draw the domain. Okay? So let's try to do it. First, this 0 and this, 0 and square root of x, that means y equals to square root of x and y equals to 0. That's what it means, because you have dy here. So you should think of it as y equals to this, y equals to 0. Now y equal to 0 is this. Y equal to 0 is this x-axis, right? And what's y equal to square root of x? What's the graph of that? It's a half a parabola opening to the right, right? It's like if there was this parabola, you're only drawing the half of it. And because your x bounds are from 0 to 4, you're really trying to paint this region starting from y equal to 0 and you're ending here. So you start from this curve to that curve. Does that make sense? You're starting from this curve, you're ending at that curve. So pictorially, this is what it means. You're trying to go from 0 to 4, and you're starting from this curve, and you're ending at that curve. That's what you're trying to do. Okay? Does that make sense? All right? And thus, the domain of integral is this. Okay. So that's the answer to the first part. Sketch the domain of integration. This is the domain of integration. Now let's try to change dx and dy, meaning that we're trying to paint this same region. Instead of going upwards, I want this to be written as dx dy. So we're trying to paint this region going rightwards. Okay? Therefore, the curve starts from where? Here. And you end there, right? That's what you're doing, right? You're painting rightwards, and your starting point of the brushes are from some point on this curve, and your ending point of your brushes is this thing, right? So you're really trying to do this. You're beginning here, and you're going rightwards until you hit this vertical line, right?
I got it.
And then how about the y value? Well, what is this coordinate? Because this is y equal to square root of x, if this point is 4, if this is 4, what's this? 2, because square root of 4 is 2, right? So the minimum value of y is 0, the maximum value of y is 2. Okay, now it remains to rewrite this curve as x equals to something, right? So I have to rewrite this curve, which is given as y equal to x squared, as x equal to something.
Y squared.
Yeah, so what do I put here?
Y squared.
Y squared. What do I put here?
4.
4.
Wow.
Okay, because this vertical line here, the graph of, this vertical line is the graph of x equal to 4, right? So I put x equal to 4. And that is equivalent to this integral. So whatever this function is, it could be any function. If you calculate this and if you calculate this, they're going to give you exactly the same answer. Okay? That's what I mean by changing the order of integration.